My job is that I'm a community filmmaker. I just assist with sort of day-to-day running of the studio, so it can be anything from filming, editing, calling people to organise shoots, literally updating the Facebook, the website. So I get involved with everything. I've even done a bit of acting myself and a bit of voiceover. So I've been like behind the camera and in front of the camera. What I enjoy most about my job is that I get to talk to loads of different people, from like really, young people who are like, sort of 13, 14, right up to elderly people who are in their 80s. And you get to hear different stories from different people and from different walks of life. It's really nice working here. Made in Tredigau, it's nice. The staff are all lovely, make you feel really comfortable. I feel at home here. I enjoy being a couple of apprentice. The work can sometimes get a little bit difficult, but if there's ever any problems that I have, I know I can talk to like any of the staff and they'll help me straight away. Any of my classmates, it's really good, friendly atmosphere, and like all the staff come from professional media backgrounds anyway, so you're getting good advice from them.